Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the very popular Cozy Care cream and Cozy Care soap. I received a lot of requests from you guys to review these two products because these are pigmentation lightening products, and as you can see it's the summertime right now and summers में pigmentation की problem बहुत common है. It happens to most of the people. Pigmentation, sun tanning, it's like a summer thing. So these two products will come really handy for you guys. So I received a lot of requests from you all to review these two, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing today. So both of these products, the reason why they are so popular is because the composition, because of the ingredients in both of these products. So I'm going to start off with the soap first. The soap contains kojic acid, glutathione, arbutin, vitamin E, and vitamin C. So the combination of ingredients is really good in here, and I'm going to be explaining what each of these ingredients does for your skin, the benefits of each of them, and overall what this soap will do for your skin. So firstly, this contains kojic acid and arbutin, and both of these ingredients are so firstly, this contains kojic acid and arbutin. Now, both of these actives, they penetrate deep into the skin and they target melanin production. Melanin is the enzyme that's responsible for uneven darkness on your skin. Suppose if you have like dark elbows, it's because on this area, like deep down into your skin, there's a lot of melanin that has accumulated. So when you apply kojic acid and arbutin on this area, it will penetrate deep into the skin and target all of that melanin and reduce the melanin production, thereby lightening all of this uneven darkness and bringing back the natural color of your skin. So that is what kojic acid and arbutin does for your skin. Coming to glutathione. Glutathione is an anti-aging ingredient. It helps to reverse the signs of aging. So if you have fine lines, wrinkles, crow's feet, if you have any other signs of aging, then glutathione helps in reversing all of that. And fine lines, if face pe nahi hote, fine lines can also be there on your body. Your body skin also ages, so all of that aging glutathione reverses and gives you more youthful looking skin. Then it contains vitamin C. Now vitamin C helps in boosting collagen production in your skin. जैसे जैसे आप एज करते हो आपकी स्किन में ना कोलाजन प्रोडक्शन रिड्यूस हो जाता है, बिकॉज ऑफ विच आपकी जो स्किन है वो एज होना शुरू हो जाती है, आपकी जो स्किन है वो धीरे धीरे डैमेज होना शुरू हो जाती है. बट व्हेन द कोलाजन प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीजेस, all the skin damage is reversed, all the aging is reversed, and your skin looks more younger looking, more healthy. And vitamin C आपकी स्किन पे बहुत अच्छा ग्लो भी बूस्ट करता है. Along with that, this also has vitamin E. Now vitamin E is very nourishing, it's very moisturizing for your skin, and इसके भी anti-aging benefits है. Vitamin E बहुत essential होता है skin के लिए to keep the skin looking plump and healthy. So overall the combination of ingredients in here is bomb. And अगर आप ये soap use करते हो अपनी body skin पे, तो आपकी body skin ज़्यादा even tone हो जाएगी. जो सारा pigmentation है, sun tanning है, कोई भी डार्क स्पॉट्स आपको बॉडी स्किन पे, वो सारा निकल जाएगा. आपकी स्किन इवन टोन हो जाएगी, आपकी स्किन और ज़्यादा यूथफुल यंगर लुकिंग हो जाएगी, आपकी स्किन ग्लोइंग हो जाएगी एंड बहुत स्मूथ सॉफ्ट और सपल हो जाएगी. सो दिस सोप विल गिव यू so many benefits by just having a bath with it. So that's the reason why the soap is so popular, and it helps in lightening pigmentation, sun tanning, and gives you that smooth, even toned, glowing looking skin. Moreover, this is a non-drying soap, तो ये आपकी स्किन को ड्राई आउट नहीं करेगा while you have a bath with it. It's absolutely non-drying and बहुत ज़्यादा gentle है. So I highly recommend you try out this soap. इसकी जो fragrance है वो भी बहुत सूदिंग है. I really like enjoy having a bath with this, and I smell so good after I use this. So I absolutely like love this soap, and इसके इतने सारे benefits है, and who knew कि आपको इतने सारे benefits मिल सकते हैं by just having a bath. But this soap makes it possible, so that's the reason why this is such a popular soap, and I highly recommend you try this out. Moving on to the Cozy Care Skin Lightening Cream. Now this is more like a targeted product. इसको आप यूज कर सकते हो अपने फेस पे, बॉडी पे, कहीं पे भी, on any part of your body, wherever you have uneven darkness. You can use it on your dark elbows, you can use it on your dark neck, dark knees, or somewhere on your face. If you have like darkness around your nose or around your mouth, or if you have any dark spots, you can use it there. Now the combination of ingredients in here is kojic acid, arbutin, and glutathione. And as I mentioned, kojic acid and arbutin, they target target melanin production, and they reduce the pigmentation, sun tanning, any darkness, any uneven darkness that you have on your body, on your face, on your body, anywhere. So वो सारा का सारा जो पिगमेंटेशन है वो reduce हो जाएगा, आपकी स्किन ज़्यादा even tone हो जाएगी. Along with that, this has glutathione, which helps in reversing the signs of aging. आपको कोई भी एजिंग के साइंस आपके फेस पे, सपोज इट्स फाइन लाइंस around on your forehead, or if it's wrinkles around your eyes, if it's crow's feet around your eyes, या अगर आपकी स्किन थोड़ी सी भी एज दिख रही है, then glutathione will help in reversing all of that and give you younger looking skin. So you can use this on your face, you can use it on any specific body part wherever you have darkness, and this will help in lightening all of that darkness and make your skin more even toned and more youthful. So this cream is more like a targeted cream, and you can use it on specific areas and get more even toned youthful skin. अब ये जो क्रीम है इसकी भी fragrance is very similar to the soap. It's a very soothing fragrance, and this cream is very calming as well on the skin. Like if I apply it on my dark elbows, it just feels very calming. It's absolutely non-greasy, बिल्कुल भी sticky या oily feel नहीं करता है, and it absorbs like very fast into the skin. So that's something that I really like about the cream, and आप इसको अपनी body पे, face पे, कहीं पे भी use कर सकते हो. So as you can see, I have some skin problem going on here, so I'm just gonna apply it there. Ideally you're supposed to apply it on pigmentation, but I don't have so much of pigmentation on my face, so I'm just applying it here, and instantly it's just feeling so much more soothing, so much more calming. यहाँ पे मुझे थोड़ी इरिटेशन थी, थोड़ी रेडनेस थी, बट instantly my skin just feels so much more soothed. So this is a very soothing, a very gentle cream, and आप इसको फेस, बॉडी कहीं पे भी लगा सकते हो. तो अगर आपको कोई भी पिगमेंटेशन की प्रॉब्लम है आपके फेस या बॉडी पे, तो आपको ये क्रीम और ये सोप डेफिनेटली ट्राई आउट करना चाहिए. सोप तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है, आपको सिर्फ इससे नहाना है और कुछ भी एक्स्ट्रा नहीं करना है, एंड ये आपके सारे पिगमेंटेशन को दूर कर देगा, आपकी स्किन को बहुत ज़्यादा यंगर लुकिंग, इवन टोन्ड और ग्लोइंग बना देगा. एंड ये क्रीम भी आप टारगेटेड एरियाज पे लगा सकते हो. अगर आपकी फुल बॉडी पे पिगमेंटेशन नहीं है, फुल फेस पे नहीं है, तो आप इसको सिर्फ उस एरिया में लगा सकते हो जहाँ पे आपको पिगमेंटेशन की प्रॉब्लम है, एंड ये सारा पिगमेंटेशन रिड्यूस कर देगा, आपकी स्किन को इवन टोन्ड और मोर यूथफुल बना देगा. So I highly recommend this Cozy Care soap and this Cozy Care cream. These are amazing pigmentation lightening creams and I highly recommend them. अगर आप इन दोनों को परचेज करना चाहते हो, इनके लिंक्स मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिए हैं, यू कैन चेक दैट आउट. ये आपको बहुत सारे ई-कॉम वेबसाइट्स पे मिल जाएंगे, तो आप इसको कहीं से भी परचेज कर सकते हो. So that is my review on Cozy Care soap and Cozy Care cream. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new here, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, with that it's a wrap for now. I will see you super soon.